Hey, how do I get this thing to make me a cup of coffee? I thought you said it did everything. Welcome back to another CTAC Studios video. My name is Justin, and today we're taking a look at the Zaniboni Omni fixture. The Omni fixture is named such because it's a vast amount of capabilities. From CO2 sensing to occupancy sensing to just providing your light to white noise to speakers to cameras, it literally has the capabilities to do it all. Not only does the Omni fixture have a ton of different capabilities, which we'll dive into some more detail in a little bit here, it also comes in a variety of configurations. You can do a linear configuration such as this. You could also have every single slot here that you see a light fixture. Maybe you don't need any of those fancy things that I mentioned before. Maybe you just want to provide a good amount of light. You can do that. You can also do endless, practically endless runs of linear fixture right here. Or you could do T connectors, cross connectors, L connectors. You could pretty much go crazy with a variety of geometric shapes with this fixture. In addition to the awesome amount of configurations that you can do with this fixture, you can also customize the color. There are a variety of colors that you can choose from, including this standard racing red. It's right on the spec sheet. You can also choose a multitude of custom colors to fit your project perfectly. So with all of the features that you can select for your Omni fixture, sometimes we forget that this is actually a light fixture. Perhaps it's tunable white. Perhaps it's just picking the right color temperature for your project. Maybe you want to include some RGBW in there. Well, you can do that. Okay, so we've taken a look at a lot of different features, a lot of capabilities that come with the Omni fixture. Where would you use all those? Well, let's take a look at a couple scenarios. Imagine yourself in a conference room where you're trying to have a meeting, but there's a lot of ambient noise coming from the outside of that conference room. Well, that's where your white noise speaker comes in. You can put white noise through one end of the fixture. That would be the end that's probably closest to the doorway or where that ambient noise is coming from. And then from the other side, you could have a speaker where your conference call is actually playing through that speaker. So those that are at a remote location, which never happens today anymore, right? Those at that remote location can be heard great because that speaker is coming right over the conference room. You also remove the need for all of those different pieces of technology all over your conference room table that never seem to work correctly to begin with. Not only that, but you can have your downlight, you can have uplight as well, bringing this together for an awesome fixture for your conference room. Another area where you could see this fixture would be an open office. And you're like, an open office, this is a lot to put in an open office. Actually, think about all of the pieces of technology that you can wrap up into a light fixture instead of having a bunch of different pieces of technology out in your open office. That's a cool feature in and of itself. Now, you have a long linear run, maybe you have some geometric runs, all of that could look aesthetically super pleasing, but you could also play your white noise out in your open office, helping your employees, helping your team focus. Maybe you have a team that likes music. Great, play some soft music. Do whatever you need to do to make this fixture work perfectly for your application in your open office situation and make your team absolutely love it. Remember, you can also include your occupancy sensors, your daylight sensors. All of the controls for this fixture come built in. So really, you just need the light fixture. You just need to select your options. And not only do you have a system that works for you, but you have the light fixture that works for you as well. So now that you're leaning on the edge of your seat and you just want to know more, reach out to your CTAC sales representative for more information on the Omni fixture in your next project. Thanks for watching.
Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.